What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Mr. P coming to you guys again with another physical science update. It is Monday, November 23rd, so the last 2 days before Thanksgiving break, and we are wrapping up Investigation 4. Last week, we took care of 4.3 and 4.4. I mentioned it a couple times last week. Today and tomorrow, today we'll be working on review stuff. Tomorrow, I'm going to publish our quiz, give us a nice clean break before going into Thanksgiving break. Okay, keep an eye on Hack while you guys are working on this stuff today and tomorrow. I'm going to be trying my best to keep Hack updated pretty frequently. Okay, so we had 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4. If you've got questions about things that you're supposed to be screenshotting or ways that you should be setting up simulations, let me know. I've been getting less questions from you guys over the past couple weeks, which could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. It could just be a thing. Just want to make sure that you guys know that I'm here to answer your questions. Looking at today's practice quiz, all right, it's set up so you can take it as many times as you need to. It is not set up to tell you the right or the wrong, it's not set up to tell you the right answers if you get them wrong. You will see them if you got them correct or if you got them incorrect. But the way I set it up like that, I wanted you guys to go back and dig into the resources we've been using, and two of those really important resources for Investigation 4, not only the interactions website, because this sort of houses all of the simulations, but also this timeline that's kept popping up. Okay, and I like using the very last link that's in Activity 4.4 because it starts at the very beginning, and as I click through here, the first link that we saw, it was just this, maybe these first 3 items. Okay, but as we moved through the investigation, it added more of these experiments and more of these events on our timeline, right? Ending in somewhere around 2014 about the probability of electron and what we talked about in 4.4. So if you find yourself struggling on any one of these questions, all of this information is straight from either a check for understanding here on Schoology, it's from a simulation or a reading here on the interactions page, or the last place that it's going to be would be in this timeline here. Okay, it is set up so you can take it as many times as you would like. It's set up to show you that your most recent score. So if you got a 10 out of 14, or actually I think it's out of 19 points. If I got a 15 out of 19 and then I got a 10 out of 19 second, it's going to show me that 10. It's going to take your last score, not your highest score. Okay, so just wanted to clear those couple things up as you guys start to work on this. That's really all I've got. Like I said, tomorrow I am going to publish. I'll publish the quiz 8 in the morning. It'll be set to be done to be due tomorrow evening, and hopefully you guys can go and enjoy your Thanksgiving break. That's all I've got for right now. I hope to talk to you guys soon, and I'll see you later.